Good morning everyone. So today I'm on Camposol urbanisation. The sun is trying to break through the clouds this morning. We aren't far from several beaches down near the port of Maton. We are on the Costa.Calida. So today I'm going to do a little house tour on a Clasico-style villa which has got huge potential. So let me take you inside and we have a look around. See what you think. So this is the property straight in front, and we're going to go in and have a look around. As you can see, there's a balustrade up there on your terrace. You have a little pedestrian gate here. Just here you have a water point. Nice plant there, bougainvillea. They are absolutely beautiful. So you've got a few steps here up to this terrace, okay? So just here guys, we're on the terrace. You could put a nice bistro table and chairs here and just sit out the front and enjoy watching people walk by, I suppose. This is a nice quiet residential street. Now just there you have an overhead light over the doorway and these lovely Spanish tiles. You have blackout blinds on the windows as well. So let's go inside and have a look inside the property. I'll just shut this door behind me. Now, as I pan around, as you can see, plenty of space in here. This is the garden furniture, just put it inside. Okay. Just above, you got ceiling lights and fan. Now these are great. There's a starter homes for anyone. Alright, I'm going to take you through the archway and show you the bedrooms and the family bathroom. So first in here is the master bedroom. Now in the master bedroom, the switches and sockets on either side of the bed. You have integrated double wardrobe with your overhead storage. If I just pan around, you have some plug sockets down the end there, and up there you have a standard light. Okay. So straight across here we have the bathroom. So this is the family bathroom. You have got your bath with a shower attachment, your WC and your sink with a vanity unit. Okay. It's all fully tiled all the way around. And there's your shower attachment. A nice big mirror there with lights in. You have your shaving socket there by the wall and a switch. And just above the door you have a heater. Okay. So I'll take you in to the guest bedroom, or your second bedroom. So in here you got twin beds. You could put a double bed in here, would fit in here very easily. So again, you've got blackout blinds on the windows. You also have an insect screen on there as well. I'll just come up and show you. Have insect screens here. And in here you've got your integrated wardrobe with your overhead storage. Again, with your standard light. Okay. So I'll take you back through, have a look at the living space, and just in here is your kitchen. Now in your kitchen you've got plenty of top and base units. Got an electric oven and electric hob. Your sink and drain are just there. And just here you have more worktop space with more cupboards, bottom and top. Fridge, freezer, your microwave and your washer. Okay. Now just in here you have an immersion heater. It's a boiler. Okay. I'm going to take you outside and we have a look around. Now out here needs a little TLC. But this is nice off the kitchen where you could put a table and chairs and have your breakfast out here if you wanted to, you know. You've also got a tap there. Put a hose in that, wash all this down into the drain. We do tend to get a lot of sandy rain here. So I'm going to take you upstairs to the rooftop solarium. See you up top, guys. Now the sun is trying to break through this morning. You have some fabulous views all around. As you can see, the mountains over there. So I'll just bring him over. Focus in on that. Can you see those mountain views? And they're all around. Absolutely stunning. Now we are on the rooftop terrace, and you could do a lot with this space. You could put a hot tub up here, it will take it. You could put some false grass, have your loungers, you know, do a little bar for yourself or something, you know. So there's always ways and things of doing your rooftop solarium or your rooftop garden, okay? And a very enjoyable space too. So let me take you back downstairs now. So I'm back downstairs, and I just want to point out that you have got an overhead light outside the back door here. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoselltobuy.com. Do check out our website. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you very much, guys.